Woody's Crafts here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy DIY pencil cases. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification Squad for a chance to be my Crafter of the Week next week. Here is my Crafter of the Week this week. So if you want a shout out, do what I just told you to. So the first DIY is going to be one made out of a Ribena bottle. Yes, you heard me correctly. We're using a Ribena bottle, not sponsored. I just think Ribena bottles work the best. So yeah, I'd recommend them. So basically we're going to cut around the top part where I'm showing you, but not the full way because then it'll just come off. Then we'll be able to stick like pens and pencils and paintbrushes or whatever you want in there. So I'm just going ahead and painting that. And then after, I'm going to be cutting the part that I showed you. By the way, if you hear my words like stopping in the middle of them, like that's because I have the hiccups right now because I just woke up and had my breakfast. So yeah, that's what happened with my life today. And here it is. You can put whatever you like in it. I just use pencils. So the second DIY pencil case is going to be one made of a Ziploc bag. Now, you know the ones where you have 2 pockets on them? Yeah, we're doing that. So you want to cut off the end, just a small bit of it, so we can make an opening for the second pocket. And I'm just folding it over so we can mark where we can hot glue or tape or whatever we're doing. I don't remember. I'm just marking the middle line that we're gonna fold over so I don't forget where it is. And I'm just making that pocket a bit more symmetrical and even. Then I just taped that all together off camera. Now we have not 1, but 2 pockets for our pencil case. You can use Velcro or double-sided tape or something like that to stick the other pocket to itself. Then I'm just gonna use some washi tape. I'll have my washi tape video in the I button, but then I'm just gonna washi tape all of that to give it a nice design. So here is the finished product. Next one is going to be like a real fabric pencil case instead of a plastic one. And I just took my Velcro and my scissors and gave my fabric a nice smile. Then we're just gonna cut around it to make it more even and symmetrical like we did with the last one. Then I'm just gonna cut my Velcro to the right size so they can stick together, because like I'm not gonna use anything else. I'm too lazy. My first attempt was a fail because I didn't have anywhere to put the Velcro. So here is the next try, and I put on the Velcro first so I wouldn't forget about it. Here it is. Make sure to comment in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification Squad for a chance to be my Crafter of the Week next week. Make sure to comment down below if you have any suggestions for me to do. Bye!